Hello, my name is Lukman. You are welcome to my channel once again. Smart Idea TV, where we talk about how to make money online and offline the smart way, especially for beginners. We want to continue today on Forex terminologies that we discussed uh, the, the last time. I want to continue. This is the concluding part of uh, Forex terminology in our Forex basic series. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the next one is spread. Spread is just the difference between the bid and the ask. Or if I may say again, bid and ask is the rate you buy and what you sell. So the difference is the spread. And this spread is like a commission to the broker that gave you the platform to trade forex. That is how they make their own money. They spend so much money to build terminals, to have back offices and the rest. So the spread is what is their profit, and it's very small. It's not too big. Maybe sometimes it depends on the amount you are trading with. If you are trading with a very low amount, maybe 1 cent, 2 cents, so it does not, is not a very big, but because you have a lot of people trading forex, so they make their gain from that. Then there is leverage. Another terminology is leverage is what gives us as small players the opportunity to trade, to trade with big people online, because forex is mainly for bigger people who have a lot of money. But because all of us don't have that kind of money, the brokers gave us a leverage. The leverage they give us enables us to now trade with those who have big money. Sometimes it can be 1:10, 1:20, 1:100, but the most common is 1:100, where they give you that leverage so that you'll be able to trade. Like if they give you 1:100 and you have a $50, a $100 account, you have about 10,000 to trade with. And ordinarily, you are not supposed to trade with $100. But because of the leverage, you are able to trade with $10,000 and have a lot of profit. This is one of the area why this is very sweet. Another one is the broker. I've mentioned this. The broker is like the facilitator of this trading, forex trading. They make trading possible because trading is done online. There is no exchange where you go offices or anywhere. It is done online. Some people have invested their money in terminals where people come online to trade. These are brokers, and you have so many brokers. Even every country has a kind of broker or the other who trade, who facilitate forex trading. Then there is the lot size. I think this is the most confused terminology in forex. Lot size. Lot size is like if you have 1,000, you don't expect to trade with 1,000. The lot size, like a buy table size, will give you the opportunity to just trade a small amount of your money. You don't trade everything in case you lose. And in forex trading, you lose and you gain. But the gain, if you know what you are doing, the gain is more than the loss. So if you have like $1, $1,000, $10,000, which is a standard account, you are not expected to trade more than lot size of 0.1. And 0.1 is just $10. It's just $10. So you don't just go more than that lot size. If you go more than that lot size, in case a trade goes against you, you might lose all your money. So you have to trade with a very smaller lot size. So you have your money. If you have like $100 and you trade with just $1, or if you lose that $1, then you still have about $99 to trade with. So that lot size is very, very important in forex trading. And the last I want to talk to today is take profit and stop loss. Take profit and stop loss. This is a kind of how you now manage your money or your account in forex trading. The take profit allows you, is just like a plug and play. Once you set it, after taking your trade on a chart, you've done your analysis. You said, okay, I want to buy. You want to buy at a price. Let's say you want to buy, then the price is at 1.00 and you want 10 pips. All you need to do is just set your take profit. You want 10 pips, take your take profit at 1.0010. So the stop loss, the essence of the stop loss is you put the stop loss under, so that in case when the trade is going against you, you won't lose more than expected. That is why they say stop loss and take profit. This you understand later, but it's one of the terminologies for that beginners need to understand, that in forex trading you don't just lose your money. If you hear that anybody is losing a lot of money in forex trading, check that person very well. That person is trading with emotion. It's not trading with a plan, a good plan and strategy. If you have a good plan and strategy, you should know your take profit. You should set your take profit and stop loss. This will protect you against loss. You see, I want to stop here, but I have other videos that I have done on forex trading. I will put that in the playlist so that you can check it. I will put it up so that you can check it to learn more about forex trading. Until I come your way again, remain financially smart.